Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're into metalwork, auto repair, or home welding projects, this one's for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best portable MIG welders, handpicked for their performance, portability, ease of use, and value for money. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a welder here that fits your needs and budget. Check the description below for up-to-date prices and full product details. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future reviews. Let's fire it up, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. GZ 145A MIG Welder. Take your welding to the next level with the GZ 3-in-1 multi-process welder, your all-in-one solution for MIG, arc, and lift TIG welding. Featuring upgraded technology and a large LCD display, this welder delivers a stable arc, reduced spatter, and high efficiency. With synergic control, the machine automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed based on amperage, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Need more control? Switch to manual mode and customize settings freely. Built for versatility, it handles flux core wire, stick welding rods, and even stainless steel with an optional TIG torch. Whether you're working in cold environments or dealing with voltage fluctuations, this welder performs reliably. It's compact, lightweight, and packed with safety features including overheating and overcurrent protection. The complete package includes everything you need to get started: MIG gun, electrode holder, clamps, and accessories. The GZ welder is portable power built for performance. Number 4. Built Hard MIG Welding Machine. Introducing the Built Hard 135 amp multi-process welder, your versatile all-in-one welding solution. With 3 welding modes, flux core MIG, lift TIG, torch not included, and stick, you can tackle a wide range of projects from quick repairs to long seams with ease. This welder features 2T/4T/spot trigger modes, giving you ultimate control and adaptability. Its intuitive LED digital display lets you monitor voltage, current, and wire speed in real time, while the IGBT inverter boosts efficiency on any standard 110V outlet. Thanks to its smart synergic control, voltage and wire speed adjust automatically, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. Built-in safety features include auto shutoff with error codes and a fan that continues cooling post-use. Ready to go out of the box, it comes with a solar-powered helmet, MIG gun, ground clamp, wire, extra tips, gloves, and tools. The Built Hard welder, performance, protection, and power in one package. Number 3. Best Arc MIG 145 Welder. The Best Arc MIG 145 3-in-1 welder offers versatile welding with gas/gasless MIG, lift TIG, and stick modes, delivering up to 145 amps of power. It supports flux cored wires in sizes 0.030 inch, 0.035, and 0.040, plus 0.030 solid wire, making it perfect for stainless steel, carbon steel, and thicker materials. Designed with advanced technology, it features a bright LED digital screen displaying voltage, current, and settings in real time, so you can adjust without removing your helmet, boosting precision and efficiency. The Synergic Control System integrates IGBT and wire feed technology to automatically match voltage and wire speed, while allowing manual adjustment for personalized welding. Its dual voltage compatibility supports 110V and 220V inputs, automatically recognizing the power source and displaying it clearly on the panel. This makes the MIG 145 ideal for a wide range of environments, from home workshops to professional job sites. A reliable, user-friendly welder tailored for both beginners and experts. Number 2. Yes Welder MIG 205DS Pro MIG Welder. The MIG 205DS Pro is a powerful 5-in-1 welding machine, offering gas MIG, flux core MIG, spool gun, aluminum MIG, lift TIG, torch sold separately, and stick welding capabilities. With a robust 200 amp output and dual voltage support, 110V/220V, It's perfect for automotive, construction, fabrication, and DIY projects. This welder handles both thin and thick materials, including steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. Featuring synergic MIG mode, it automatically matches voltage to wire feed speed for beginner-friendly, smooth welding. Experienced welders can switch to manual mode to fine-tune settings precisely. The digital display provides real-time current monitoring for enhanced control and accuracy. Safety is a top priority, with protections against voltage fluctuations, overcurrent, overload, and overheating, ensuring durability and peace of mind. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the MIG 205DS Pro delivers reliable performance and versatility for all your welding needs. Number 1. ARC Captain 130A MIG Welder. The ARC Captain MIG 130 is a versatile 3-in-1 welder featuring flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, torch sold separately, and MMA welding modes. It offers synergic control that automatically matches the recommended current and wire feeding speed when you select your welding wire diameter, 0.030 inch, 0.035, or 0.040. This feature makes it perfect for beginners or anyone tackling small repairs around the house. With 10-speed variable feed controls, it delivers precise flux cord welding for carbon steel, stainless steel, and thicker metals. Safety is prioritized with built-in protections against overcurrent, overload, overheating, and overvoltage, extending the machine's lifespan. Weighing only 11.79 pounds, this compact, portable welder comes with a handle and shoulder strap for easy transport. The package includes everything you need to get started: MIG torch, ground clamp, electrode holder, flux core wire, nozzles, and more. Tested under harsh conditions, the ARC Captain MIG 130 offers reliable performance and high quality for home DIY, outdoor repairs, and maintenance. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.